Hello, my name is Grant Nesbitt. I am doing my final project review here for EdTech 665 here in the spring of 2015. What you're looking at on the screen here is a Glogster page. I had never created a Glogster page up until this course. In fact, I had not done a lot of things up until this course. But this was what I decided to do for my project because it was a real-life application that I could use. I'm a high school athletic director, and one of the problems that we often have is that we have coaches or instructional assistants that need to drive our minibuses, our 14-passenger buses, and we have to take them through a training process, and it's usually, there's a couple steps, and it always ends up being a little bit of a problem. So I thought one website that would have all the information that we could simply send them that link and be done with it, really, until they came to see us after they were done, would be a great idea. So let's take a look here at it. You see the title obviously is Minibus Training, and really three pretty simple steps. Watch the videos, online training through the state of Indiana, which also includes a test at the end of it. So looking here, as we work our way down the page, State of Indiana Training, they simply need to create a new account, and the enrollment key is activity. So what I designed it was, they would click, and that would open in a new window so that their old window is still there. And they can now come on here, create their new account, and you see all the options here. What they'll need to do is create new account, and then it will instruct them to go through. They'll insert the activity key, and they go through the state of Indiana certification. And at the end of that, they'll have a test, and they'll print off that sheet. The other problem we often have is just use of the buses. And there are some safety features to them, and generally just checking the buses in and out. So I created a video. Again, a first-time thing for me was to create any type of video, let alone publish it on the web. And again, you click on that, and it's going to open in a new window as well. And this is me at my desk talking to the people. I go through, show them how to pick up the key after registering for it, do an inspection of the bus, and all the safety features and whatnot as we go through it, all the way up to, at the end, closing the bus back up, and then finally, of course, returning the keys back to the office. And you'd be surprised at how often that doesn't happen. In fact, it happened just this morning. So maybe I need to do some more training. But nonetheless, they do that. So they go through those two steps. And then they're going to complete, after they complete the video, they'll stop in and see me to turn in their paperwork. And then I file that with our school district, and they're ready to go. They can then drive a bus. So, again, fairly straightforward. But I was very pleased with it. Again, all new things for me to do. Creating a website, creating a video, and it's been very handy. I sent the video out, or this website out, twice this week for people that need to get trained here as our spring sports have started to begin. So that was it, a very worthwhile project, and one I'm very proud of. Thanks.